Hey everyone, Joe here. If you're trying to burn fat, diet is just as important as exercise. In fact, the right foods can boost your metabolism, help you burn more calories, and torch stubborn fat faster than ever. So today, we're counting down 10 fat-burning foods you need to be eating if you want to get lean. Let's jump in. Most people think fat loss is all about eating less, but the truth is, eating the right foods can actually help you lose fat faster. These 10 foods will increase your metabolism, reduce hunger, and help you burn more fat, naturally. Stick around for number 1 because it's a game changer. Number 10. Eggs. Eggs are a fat-burning powerhouse. They're loaded with high-quality protein and healthy fats that keep you full and boost your metabolism. Plus, studies show that eating eggs for breakfast can help you burn more fat throughout the day. Number 9. Chili peppers. Spice it up. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which increases your metabolism and helps your body burn more calories. It also suppresses appetite, making you eat less without even realizing it. Number 8. Coffee. Good news for coffee lovers. Caffeine boosts your metabolism by up to 11% and enhances fat burning, especially before a workout. Just keep it simple. Black coffee is best, without added sugar or cream. Number 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and increase fat burning. Plus, they're packed with protein, which keeps you full and helps maintain muscle while losing fat. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are perfect fat-burning snacks. They're high in healthy fats and protein, keeping you satisfied and preventing cravings. Just don't overdo it. Stick to a handful per serving. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is one of the best fat-burning drinks out there. It contains catechins and caffeine, which work together to boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Try drinking 1 to 3 cups a day for the best results. Number 4. Apples and berries. Fruits like apples, blueberries, and strawberries are packed with fiber and antioxidants, helping control hunger and support fat loss. The best part? They're sweet but low in calories, making them a perfect snack. Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are low in calories but high in fiber, meaning they keep you full while helping you burn more fat. Plus, they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals to fuel your workouts. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados might be high in fat, but it's the good kind. They help your body burn more belly fat by keeping blood sugar stable and reducing hunger. Add them to your meals for a creamy fat-burning boost. Number 1. Water. And the number 1 fat-burning food is water. Drinking enough water boosts metabolism by 30%, flushes out toxins, and helps your body burn more fat. Start every morning with a glass of water and stay hydrated all day for maximum results. There you have it, 10 fat-burning foods to help you burn calories, boost metabolism, and get lean faster. Which of these foods do you eat the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get fit together. See you next time.